Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this video, we're going to take a look at the numbers from 20 to 30. So let the count begin. The learning goal of this video is to learn to count from 20 to 30 in Standard and in Austrian German. So let the count begin. We start with 20. 20 means zwanzig in Standard German, and in the western part of Austria you will hear zwanzg, in the east zwanzg. The next numbers are a bit more difficult to build, therefore we're going to take a closer look at them. First of all, 21 is built like this. 1 and 20, in Standard German einundzwanzig is einundzwanzig. Let's repeat. 21 is einundzwanzig. In the West, Austrians say oanazwanzg, and in the East, anazwanzg. Let's take a closer look at 22. It's again 2 and 20. Zwoanzg is zwoanzg. One more time. 22 is zwoanzg. In the western parts of Austria, people will say zwoanzg. In the eastern parts, zwanzg. 23 means 23, and depending on where you live, we will use 23 or 23. The number 24 is 24 in Standard German, and in Austria you often hear 24 or 24. 25 means 25, using Austrian accent 25, respectively 25. The word for 26 is 26. In the western parts of Austria, people will use 26, in the east 26. 27 is 27 in Standard German, and in Austria you will come across the terms 27 or 27. The number 28 means 28. In the West, Austrians use 28, in the East 28. The number 29 means 29 in Standard German, and in Austria people use 29 and 29. Finally, 30 is the word 30, and many Austrians use the term 30. Thanks a lot for watching. Please hit the like button and see you in the next tutorial.